welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to be cooking up some chicken taquitos for dinner. So I figured I would take you guys through how I make this. This is going to be another super easy recipe to make. Lately I have been obsessed with getting a rotisserie chicken at my local Walmart for $5 and change and just using that out of convenience. I used to boil up chicken breast, which you could still do of course, but I personally like using the rotisserie chicken because when you boil the chicken breast, it just makes it really dry. And you don't really want dry chicken in your food. So I just go ahead and take the skin off of the rotisserie chicken on WW Blue. The chicken breast is 0 points. So we're going to go ahead and just shred it up. Take some salt and pepper and you're just gonna lightly season it. I don't measure out the salt or pepper, I just kind of toss it on top. Mix it up. And then I just take my tortillas and just throw it on the pan. Once you see that they start to have a little bit of color, then you just flip them over. It's literally just a couple seconds. Right now I have my heat on like the middle in between medium / high, and I just watch it. But that's how I heat up my tortillas. I don't do it in the microwave. I don't do it with water. I don't do any of that. I just do it like this. And you just don't want it to sit on there on one side for a long time, because if you do, it'll end up like this first one and just really hard. So these are the tortillas that I use. You can get these at Walmart, either in the bread section or you can look in the international foods aisle. It might be in that aisle as well. I know my Walmart tends to move things around. But anyways, I believe these are 3 points for 2 of them, but let's just go ahead and scan it just to make sure. I gotta track it anyways. There we go. Yeah, so 3 points for 2 of them. I usually, when I make taquitos, I'll usually have 4 tortillas, which comes out to 7 points. Let's go ahead and move that. 3, 4, check. Yeah, so 7 points. So what we're gonna do now is take 1 tortilla out of the bin at a time. So when you look at the tortilla, there's like a grain going a specific way, so you could tell by looking at this that the grain is going this way on both sides. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to roll against the grain. So if the grain's going this way, you want to roll up. Also, heating up your tortillas are going to help the tortilla not break. If you don't heat up the tortilla, it's probably going to crack when you're rolling it up. So you're just going to take some chicken, just kind of put it towards the center. Like that. And you're going to take it and just kind of tuck it in and roll. Just like that. And when you go to air fry them, because we're going to air fry these, make sure you put the outside of it right here, this little flap, towards the left for all of them, and then place them next to each other so they're touching, because that's going to prevent it from unrolling on you. Alright, so Mario's going to eat 7, I'm going to eat 4 of them. We're just going to go ahead and spray them a little bit with cooking spray. There we go. I'm going to throw it in the air fryer. I went ahead and threw my little air fryer holder thing right here in the air fryer. We are going to put it on 375 on air fryer for about 15 minutes. Really, it's about 7 minutes. This is just a warm-up time. So I would say for about 7 minutes. Just going to keep an eye on them. When they start getting like golden in color, then we're going to take them out. Pretty much done now. They're not going to get like too golden in color because there isn't like any oil or really anything like that on them. But they will get a little color in the ends. And if you tap them, you'll be able to hear that they're done. You don't want to overcook them, because if you overcook them, you're not going to be able to, like, they're going to be almost like stale when you go to eat them. So you kind of want to get a good timing right in the middle. Just kind of keep an eye on them. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and scan the queso fresco. Queso fresco is 3 points, so I'll probably do a half an ounce for 1 point. So perfect. So this is a half ounce right here of queso fresco. It's a pretty good amount. If you look, it's a pretty good size amount. And then I went ahead and weighed out 1 ounce of avocado. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, set it aside, grab your taquitos, and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of light sour cream on the top. Cheese on the top so that way it sticks to the sour cream. And then I like using romaine lettuce on these, but you can use any kind of lettuce, really. From Walmart. It tastes pretty authentic to me. And that is it. Oh wait, avocado. I lied. Alright, there we go. Perfection. Look at that deliciousness. So all together with the avocado and the sour cream. Let's see. We gotta put in the light sour. Light sour. Oh, 2 tablespoons is 1 point. So you could actually do 2 tablespoons for 1 point. I'm just gonna put in 1.5 because that's probably what I ended up using. So 9 points for this deliciousness. Oh wait, avocado. I forgot avocado. Avocado, 1 ounce is 1 point. Alright, there we go. 10 points for this. Now you could obviously cut down on the points by not using avocado. You can also use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, but those things are crucial when making taquitos that you want to taste authentic. So, you could always pair this if you want more food than just this, which this is fine for me. So that is how I make my taquitos. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in my next video.